By seeing the title name itself, you might have understood what this video is about. Well, it is about the anatomy. In this video, I'm gonna share the tips which I used while studying and while attempting my final exams. Stay tuned till the end of the video to know my tricks. Let's get into the video. Many students fear this subject as it has many complicated names, and when you go to the exam hall, you don't remember a word. Is that it? Yes, I know. Even I faced that fear in my first exam. But I overcome it by using my own ways, which you can too follow. In this video I am gonna share 3 pro tips. They are: the first tip is sharing, second tip is visualize, third tip is highlights. I will explain clearly about these tips. These are the 3 tips which I follow. Let's talk about the first tip, which is sharing. Now, you must be thinking like, what is with sharing? How do we learn anatomy? A complicated subject. Just by sharing. I will clear all your doubts in this video now. First, try to read the topic. I used to read from many websites and books. If you want to know which books I referred, let me know in the comment section. Coming to the topic, we remember nothing after closing the book. To overcome this problem, you need to note the keywords from the topic and write again for 3 times. You will definitely succeed at the 3rd time. You can easily remember the words from the topic. And that's where we can put the full stop to the fear. And now, the tip is talk about it. Talk with your family, say them that I studied this today, and I want to share it with you guys. For this, you don't need to spend a lot of time. You can share when you sit out with them, like a little gatherings in the evening with family, or try to share it with your siblings or friends, whoever you wish to. When you do this, you will never forget the topic. If you don't know what the meanings, get the dictionary, break the word, and make it simple way which you can easily remember. And read it out loud along with the keyword. So, you read the topic, write it as keywords, and shared with friends or family, then the topic is remembered. That's how the first tip I used. Now getting on to the second step, visualization. When you try to remember something, you don't get it, right? You won't get this kind of problem when you follow the first tip. It is a kid's method to memorize. They remember the things by seeing pictures. As we all know, in the kindergarten, we have pictures in our textbooks, right? That's how we know what is what. We can follow that method even now, in anatomy or in any other subjects too. Now, let's get into the 3rd step, highlighting method. In this method, when you learned a topic and wrote keywords, shared with family and friends, then leave it after that, you're gonna face a big problem. I am the present example for you. Yes, I did the mistake. We are humans. We do mistakes. And mistakes lead us to do better next time. I was happy that I learned a topic in an easy way, then I left it like that. For days and months, I didn't revise it at all. Here come the problem. I had exam next day, and I opened my book and keywords notebook the day before examination. I thought, I won't forget the keywords. Everything was new, and my mind was blank. I was in anxiety. I still remember that day. I sat on my bed and did nothing but shivering with fear. I didn't study that day. I left it. I was like, I give up on you. I hated myself for not studying. Then I attempted my exam, which was not at all good, worse I say. I came back home, sat before my books and studied again. Studied the whole topic again and again, which didn't get in my mind. Obviously, I was angry on myself that I didn't study for exam and I didn't attempt it well. And then my dad came to me and asked about it. He explained me this is not how it works, you gotta restudy it. Then I got the idea of this restudy. Repeating something again and again is how we memorize. Right? That's my tip number 3. Study the topic today by following the first 2 tips, then again read it the next day before going to the next topic. Do this every day. You will never forget the topic. I followed these 3 tips, they really work. I still follow them. These are my 3 best tips, guys. And thank you for being so patient and listened my story as well as the tips.